Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you Rainbow Six Siege best settings for PC. So on general, you want to go ahead and do a display performance advanced metrics. This is important one. Then stunt VFX would be white glare or dark glare. It depends on your preference, so maybe white. Now cycle should be off, diffuser pick up both. Visible through trajectory on. Then drone after prep would be manual. Text channel you want to do only team, and on console you want to turn on crossplay matchmaking, and also crossplay communication should be also on. Then you want to apply the changes. Now on the HUD options, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you will see other. So you want to go ahead and turn off gameplay warnings, and everything else should be left turned on. On audio settings, you want to go ahead and choose dynamic range. Most uses hi-fi. You can read what it does. Another settings would be to turn off your menu music volume because you don't really want to listen to it. Now voiceover presets maximum. HQ voiceover on, mono stereo output stereo, and then mute on unfocused. You want to turn this off. Now on voice chat volume, want to do this, of course, turn it on. And you want to also do voice chat input mode, push to talk, and maybe open, but the push to talk would be better. And voice chat input sensitivity, you can also turn this on and apply the changes. Now on display, you want to go ahead and choose the resolution 1920 1080, and you want to choose the full screen mode. I just now on windowed because I'm filming this video. And now the field of view 83, HUD display area 89, and menu display area 82. The brightness, you can go ahead and check it yourself what you like the best. Now on graphics, you want to turn off NVIDIA Reflex low latency. Then overall quality should be custom, and you want to turn everything on low except shading quality and shadow quality. So the very high, and everything else should be off. Now on controls, it really depends on your personal preference. Maybe you want to disable mouse scroll because so you wouldn't switch weapons. Now accessibility, you want to choose opticolor either green or red. They are both really bright. And you want to do this to 100. Now you also want to go ahead and turn off screen shake intensity and apply the changes. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.